Jacob Maxson Oboth obubingi barikumanya Jacob Oboth akazarwa 2013 by'okwezi kwa kana omwaka gwa 2071 omu district ya Tororo omu rugwizo rwa Uganda. Akashomera mu Wafu Primary School kandi senior akagishomera St Denis Sebugo Secondary School aho yamarire senior ya kana. Kuyahiriza senior ya kana bamba akabarwa school fees yashutamo kumara emyaka 2 aho abajungu bamwira Street akagenda kabakorera nka storekeeper aho yatungira omugisha gwo kugumiza amaru kushoma ati akaza Toro High School aho yahiriza senior ya mukaga. Aketwa Makerere University omwaka gwa 1997 okushoma eby'amateka aho yagumize makakora na kosi ya management ahari Uganda Management Institute. Omwaka gwa 2021 Oboth nubwo yajwara degree y'eby'amateka. Rero omwaka gwa 2022 yayongera yashoma diploma y'eby'amateka ari LDC yagaruka yongeraho naganda mashomo akajwara masters degree yo by'amateka omwaka gwa 2007 okuruga mu University ya Minnesota erukushanga omuyanga lya America. Kuyagarukira rukuruga USA omwaka gwa 2007 akagumiza munakuro mu government nkomuhorereza wa government okisiyo omwaka gwa 2010 obwahumura rukuzombya obutegeki. Ogu akahikana huta akaruruko bwa member bwa parliament abwa Budama South County omwaka gwa 2011 aho yayesimbira tine kibina obwa rukusinga state minister w'abakozi Dr. Emmanuel Otara owamutwire no mukota rukuhakana sobusinguzi bwe konka akagaruka kamusinga akaguma mu ishengero. Ogu akagaruka yasinga akaruruka abono omwaka gwa 2016 nabwo rukusinga Phoebe Awire Otara owa NRM kandi akaba MP okubanza mu ishazeri okwebembera enchuri 2 zikuratine okwiho omwaka gwa 1996. Parliament ya mwenda Oboth akebembera akakiko k'amateka n'emicwe hamwe n'akakiko kuchondoza ekitongore cy'ebyamashanyarazi kandi akagaruka yakorera akakiko akarukujunaniza bwabyo bugega bwo mwitaka. Parliament y'ikumi akaba ari chairman w'akakiko k'ebiragiro n'enshonga za parliament kandi ari na member w'akakiko k'ebyobushubuzi. Omunchure hwire Oboth abira state minister w'ebyokwerinda n'enshonga z'abankazirwanaho kandi nakarura kahwira kakahuta buboga.
I, Oboth Maxson Jacob, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
Aharwa katano rw'isabite wire CDF Muhozikine Rugaba nuwe yabandize kuhandika hamo kutugo gwa X arukoreka nguwe hamwe n'ekisinde cyari kwebembere cya PLU nubashagika Oboth okuba speaker wa parliament y'12 obwo baheza kwihamanita among no muhezi we Thomas Tayebo Bwesije.
Honorable Minister, I want to take this opportunity to inform you that I have been directed by my chairman to inform you and your family and the members of parliament who are here that you are going to be the next speaker of the 12th parliament.
Omubujenyo byakozero mu makaje harwa mukagurwe sabite wire yaheza kurahira Oboth akoreka kwa etekatekere kwesimba bwa speaker obwishengero yihangiri y'umurundo gwa 12 aha kuba kuyahika umwishengera turanaenda kuba speaker bitu bitura byangire konka murundo gwentebe ekishaje jabasa kujegaruza.
Now when my brother and the CDF, we had another view. That is why my home today for the first time has the photo what? I don't know, I'm not used to them. So you will, and these people, Honorable Kabanda here said now, your function is no longer the local Chungu function. It's going to be national function.